In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an application admission form in Microsoft Word. If you need to create an application admission form in Microsoft Word, you can build the entire form using text, lines, shapes, and simple formatting tools. This gives you more flexibility when arranging each section and can help you create a clean and professional-looking form. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Start by adding the title of your form at the top of the page. Type the name of the institution or organization, followed by the title Application Admission Form. Center the title and adjust the font size and formatting so it stands out clearly. Next, add the applicant information section. Create a heading such as personal information, then type the fields you want the applicant to complete. These can include full name, date of birth, gender, address, contact number, and other information required for the application. Since you are not using a table, you can create spaces for the applicant to enter information by using underscores or horizontal lines. For example, you can type full name, followed by a line where the applicant can write their answer. Keep the spacing consistent so the form looks neat and organized. After the personal information section, create another heading for educational information. Add the fields needed for the applicant's educational background, such as previous school, grade level, course, or other academic details. Next, add an application information section. This is where you can include the program, course, grade level, or other information that the applicant is applying for. Place each field on a separate line and leave enough space for the applicant to provide their answers. You can also add a section for parent or guardian information if it is required. Include the appropriate labels and provide enough space for each response. As you build the form, use Microsoft Word's alignment, spacing, font, and paragraph formatting tools to keep everything organized. You can make section headings bold and slightly larger so they are easy to identify. You can also use shapes or lines to create visual sections and make the form easier to complete. Keep the design simple and make sure there is enough space between each field. Finally, add a declaration section near the bottom of the form. Include a statement for the applicant to acknowledge, followed by areas for the applicant's signature and date. Review the entire form before finishing. Check that all required information is included, the spacing is consistent, and each field has enough room for the applicant to write their answers. And that's how you can create an application admission form in Microsoft Word without using a table. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,